Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages. It doesn't really matter, and now we have to tap on this icon. Now let's enter the settings, which are right here, and enter keyboard settings. Here at the second position we've got writing languages, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. Actually, most of them, almost all of them, are not downloaded, so if you would like to check, if you would like to set, for example, Portuguese, you will have to tap on this and download icon. I will pick the probably Arabic one, I'm not really sure. I would like to show you the graphical language, let's say. So let me mark it, and now we can go back. Now let's go back again and tap on the keyboard, and as you can see right now I'm typing English freely, but here we've got new icon which will allow us to switch the language. So after tapping on it, I can easily switch to the chosen one. I'm not really sure if it is Arabic, probably not, but as you can see, you can easily switch the language. You can tap on it again, and again you can type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need two different languages, for example. So let's enter the settings again, keyboard settings, writing languages, and all you have to do right now in order to set only one language is to turn off the other one, so in my case this language. And after getting back, you can see that you do not have this language switching key, so it means that you can only type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.